So we are here, okay, in the project 6, right? And I have these instructions for the planning, okay? Again, I enter PMPeople. Let me open the tool. And I enter as a project manager. And you will have some project called course, whatever, course, Angie course, Isabel course, whatever, okay? So if I enter my project, course professor, I am here, okay? So you follow, right? So I enter this project. So notice these 5 points. Check Jose Barato is the sponsor. You know how to check this. Okay, you go to date, or here in the project team, you can see who is the sponsor. In my case, I didn't annotate that. I'm sure that you will see me as a sponsor, right? Okay. Notice that there are 2 stakeholders. You know, here in the project team, you will see the section of stakeholders. Okay, I'm no one, but well, you will see another people here, and well, this is good that well, people know, people follow your project, right? Check the project budget is 29,000. Okay, you can see this in 2 points. In project charter, you can see this project budget, okay? And in project data, you can see this baseline cost, okay? Because this is like a definition, okay? If you have started and you didn't have the planning and you didn't decompose this project into manageable work packages, you will have only one package, okay? If you go here and you go plan cost, you will have only the project, and again, you can see the baseline cost. So you can see some points in the tool in which you see the overall cost of the project, right? Okay. Okay, change, because this is approved. So let's plan, okay? You know, the meaning of initiation is that we are thinking of go, no go. If this is a go, let's go to plan and start with the planning. We are planning cost, precisely. And check the review dates. We have these review dates. You need to control to check that you have 4 review dates, okay? No, nothing more. If you go here, you see this is spanning these 2.5 weeks, and that's it, okay? Let's plan. First, let's plan scope and time. I have 3 work packages, and these are the dates, okay? So let's go there. You know how to plan schedule, plan. We need to divide this project into manageable pieces. Let's do 3 work packages. And in order to plan a schedule, because right now I have this situation and this is not real, I want different dates here, right? So plan schedule, and you will see the real dates here, okay? So here you finish in 6/17. The first package is from 8 to 17, okay? Save. The second is from 11 to 16. So let's go there. Second, open, 11 to 17. Okay, and this is starting 16 and finishing 23. Or package 3. Okay, okay. So let me go to see this visually to make sure that everything is okay. Okay, resembles the example in PowerPoint. Sure. 11 to not.
Oh, sorry. Yes, yeah. It is 16 in the
yeah, I noticed. Yeah, sure. Thank you. So 16 here. Okay. There. So now it's good. Okay. So I am done with the dates, so let's go to the thing. Let's go to cost, right? So first thing is that I can calculate the budget for each work package, because I know the details, I know how many resources, I know how much is going to they are going to cost. So I can say these calculations, maybe bottom up estimate, right? So 8,000 plan cost. So I go work package 1 and I say 8,000, save. Second is 9, if I remember correctly. And third, 12. 12, okay. Okay, so that's the idea. Point 1, check. Check the initial project cost baseline chart, okay. So if you go to these rich views in more, the baseline cost is here, okay. So this is resembling an S-shaped curve, but you can see that at the end, when you have 12 days of work, you will have this cumulated, okay? And every day you have this. So this is done by the tool because the information is there, time, cost, but you normally don't publish this way baseline, because you need to calculate precisely on certain dates, okay? So this is the next thing. Plan work package cost as of the review dates, okay? So let me show you. Again, I go to plan cost. And in work package 1, I have the total, the baseline cost. But if you click there, you could enter these numbers for the baseline cost for each work package. Okay, remember you can plan the project or manage the project managing work packages, right? So if I select the first date, okay, the tool is offering you the linear approximation, but you could change. Okay, the last word is your voice, right? You are the project manager. You need to tell, okay, this work package that totally at the end is going to be 8. Right now is good. Okay, normally people are saying yes to this. Okay, and in day 16, I have another. Okay, I say yes, and in day 19, which is higher than the finish date, no wonder this is the total. Okay, so I save, and I am done with the work package 1. With work package 2, I can do the same. This is spanning from this to this, so first review is 12, okay. Second is 16, and that's it, okay. Save. And for the third, open here again. You know the BCWS, okay, just in case some people are not expecting PV always, that you can find this in some tools, right? The budgeted cost of work schedule, right? That's a synonym of planned value. Again, well, if I select this is a 0, no problem with that. So I want to select this, okay, and 19, and the final day, okay. So I am done. If I check the total, notice that I cannot not enter dates here because this is calculated bottom up, but makes sense that this is done. And visually, I can go back to the cost chart, and you can see the points. This is like a decision. Okay, in this moment, which we are due this number. In this moment, we are due 80,000. Okay, and okay. So this is a baseline properly, right? So check the project, the work package 0 is this. I remember this was the number, and check the final. Yeah, I did that. Okay. So to complete this, you need to delete my things. Okay. This is like a reference, to compare because, well, you need to make something equals to this. Okay. And you need to upload this like an evidence that you are done. Okay. So guys, you could do the task. Everyone, you know how to do it, right? Just copy my task. You is like always. You enter the detail, and here to have your copy, click here and assign to you, right? And you can start doing this. And I am waiting if you have any doubt, okay? Like the other day. So please go there, enjoy, and learn. Let me know any doubt, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Giovanni, good. Enrique, any problem? Daniela, Marcela, Natalie, you need help? I see Martin is having issues with the connection.
Also, for me, it's a little bit slow.
Oh, Marcela, I'm sorry. I don't know if I can help you, Marcela. I don't know. So you can follow the explanation before, after, right?
Yes, I can follow.
Okay. I'm recording, so I will share the recording tomorrow. Maybe I can copy you my task. Okay, let me copy. Yeah, Natalie. Yeah, sure. Sorry.
I have a question. Sorry.
Yeah, Giovanni.
The plan review dates is the same as the baseline start and baseline finish, or no?
No. Is in plan review dates. These are the points in time that we are going to produce the reports or the reviews.
Got it.
Okay, good.
Yes. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong
Okay.
tab.
Okay. Okay, Andy, I can see you are good with this. Regarding cost. Okay, you are done, Andy. Good. You can copy this and that's it.
Yes, I already finished, but I'm doing the screenshot.
Okay. Okay, who else? Let's see. Isabel.
Where do we enter the budget of the project?
In plan cost. Plan cost. You control the project controlling work packages. You enter one package. You have the packages?
Yes.
So you enter baseline cost.
Okay.
And later on, you need to complete this series.
Okay.
Okay, but first you enter baseline cost, and with this, only with this, you could go to to the baseline and see the same image, but without the points. Okay. The point is when you enter the PVs in the work packages. Okay, so
Can you
let's
repeat again that step, please?
yeah, plan cost. So you see the three work packages. Just enter each of them and enter the baseline cost. This is the total for the work package, right? You are done with this?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, just check after that in more you have the visual, okay? And the final step is that you go back again to the work packages and you go into the detail of the data series for the timing spanning the work package, right? And you do this entering new points here, PV1, PV2, okay?
Professor, one question.
Yeah.
In real life, when you have the use of PMPeople or other project systems, these kind of parts, for example, for the project cost and or the budget, normally is it connected with the ERP or with another system that tracks the information in real time?
Yeah. Yeah, no, you normally, depends on the situation, but in order to tell this baseline cost is this, you don't invent from your mind, okay? Maybe you have this information in reports coming from the SAP or whatever, and in sometimes what customers do is connect, okay? And we have a button here to connect to the API of the system and get this. But our point is that you have the final say in this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it is bad when you automate everything and you don't have a human with these important things, okay? So I think tools should be informative, okay? And if the information is there, you don't need to go, system can talk system to system. But when you have this, you can say, okay, the SAP is saying 10,000, but I am sure that this is 8,000 because of this and this. And I can explain. Okay, I forgot to tell you, but this is very important. The basis of estimates. Okay, so don't keep these explanations in your mind. You are going to forget. Okay, it's very important information for you, for the managers, and you are going to forget because there is a lot of details. So if you have something to explain there. Okay,
perfect.
But you are the author, you are the responsible and the accountable guy. So you need to enter your information, right? Okay. So let's move on, guys, because we are running out of time. Okay. So let's move on. So the task number 2 is a review. Okay. So now we are in execution. Okay, the planning is done. So we need to plan to go from planning to execution. So let me go again to my project. And everybody's happy with the plan. So, you know, in control, you can set this in execution, right? And right now, the thing is that in this review date, okay, I can control how the project is doing in cost and in time, right? Okay, so I am going to use this title. We are over budget, okay, for this review. So let's say that the status date is the first date, and in the health checks, I am going to say a red semaphore because I am bad. And I am explaining a little here, and I am done with this. Okay. If anybody is following my project, if a stakeholder of yours is entering reports, they are going to see that in this moment, this project manager is saying that this is bad because of that. But you don't have any information here in the control, in the cost. Okay, everything is there. Okay. So let's go to control and say how this is doing. Okay. So control first, work package 1. Sorry, first I need to tell about time. Sorry. Let's go to the task because this is detail here. Control schedule. First work package is 60% complete, and the second is, so everything is started on time. And we have a progress. That's it. Okay, very easy to update, right? Control schedule. Go work package 1, and I can tell this is 60% complete. Done. I could explain why, whatever, but I am telling that this has started on date. Okay, the plan start is the same that actual start. I don't have the actual finish because I am not done. And I am saying that this is 60% complete. If I have this visually, I am clear on this, right? So in this moment, this is the situation in time, okay? And regarding package 2, this is 50%, okay? So you have completed these only 2 packages, and I could tell how the project as a whole is doing. If I select work package 0, 38%. Okay, so in this moment the project is this way, right? So let's go to cost. Control cost. Work package 1 is on schedule, okay, related to performance, but cost performance, but is on schedule. Remain the meaning of this. Okay, if I am on schedule, this is meaning that the R value is the same as planned value. Okay, right? So let's enter this information. Sorry. Control cost. Work package 1. I am on schedule regarding cost, but on schedule. Okay, so let's enter here in control cost, and again, you know that if I control these 3 numbers, PV, EV, actual cost, I control everything in EVM, right? So first thing is I know that this should be 5,000 because I am on time, right? Okay, and in order to know the actual cost, the lead is that I have another cost of 1,000, right? So in order to get another cost of 1,000, this is meaning that this is 6,000. You got me? Okay. This is the percent complete, but I am cost. I have more cost. Okay. I compare this, and this is another cost of 1,000, which is the thing in the task, right? Okay. So with this, you could check if you go here. So let me yeah. I go here. I can say that the actual time is 5. This is the first Friday, 5 days worked so far. So scheduled performance index time. Notice the time thing. Okay, this is 1, meaning that I am on time. The scheduled variance time is 0 days. Okay, this is on time. Okay, this is calculated, and I understand the meaning of this calculation. CPI is this. Okay, makes sense? Yes. Okay, because I am with over cost. You know how to calculate this. Sorry. So if you divide 5,000 over 6,000, this is this. Okay, for each euro you are spending in this project, you are completing 83 cents, right? So you can see the cost variance. Okay, that's what I expected. And these are the leading metrics, the forecast. Okay, I have an estimate to complete. This is the most important number, the estimated completion. Okay, notice that I am not finishing with, according to the calculations, I am not finishing with 8,000, but with this. Okay, and the variance of completion is the difference. Okay, so everything is in place, and tools calculate this for you. You need to understand, okay, that you don't have the time to do this calculation in Excel or whatever. Okay, and always a visual is more clarifying. Okay, so notice that I am in this locally in this package. Okay, I am managing the project, managing each and every work package, right? So this is making sense, right? Notice the end value is the same, like the curve of the baseline cost, and the cost, the actual cost is this. Okay, I can see that since this is the same, I have no delay. Okay, this is due today. Okay, and the other cost, I can understand the other cost so far, right? Okay, so if I continue like this, I am going to finish with this. Okay, estimated completion is not 8, is 9.6K. Okay, and the actual cost, okay, you can see here very graphically the ATC. The ATC is from this to this to this point, right? So another thing interesting is the trend lines. Okay, so far I am only 1 point, but no, I can see here that I have a overcost in this package of this, and I have no delay, right? Okay, so everything is in place, and don't forget to explain why things are happening so far. Okay, so you normally when you have the information, you use a tool to dump your mind, and whenever people want to see how you are doing, they don't need to meet you or to stop you. They can go to the cloud and see, right? Okay. So this is the thing with with this control cost work package 1 and control cost work package 2. I need to produce this situation. Okay. A schedule variance minus 500. Bad. Negative is bad. Okay. I am late, right? Okay, a schedule variance without time, this is a lead to have the EV, okay? And the cost variance is minus this, okay? So let's me go here, okay? If I compare, again, I'm going to work package 2. In this moment, in time, okay, for this status review, the planned value is this, okay? So if this earn value is minus, you know that this should be 4,000, okay? Because schedule variance without time is this minus this. If this is a minus 500, this should be the EV, okay? And regarding the actual cost is cost variance, this, making it, let's go. Should be 555, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's enter the dates and see if I am good. Okay, cost variance minus this, okay, and the schedule variance in time is expressed in days. Okay, notice the difference. This is in Asana. I got a number in cost, but only experts understand this information. But normally schedule variance should be in time. So this is well, not bad, but well, we have this situation, right? Okay. So visually, again, I can see the numbers here. So if I compare this against this, this is bad because this was not due today. This was due some time ago. Okay. Only not 1 day, okay, only a quarter of day, okay. So this is ridiculous, but okay, you get the idea. And cost variance is this, okay. If I compare this against this, I can see this is higher, okay. So but this is the situation, right? So in Asana you can follow the check-ins here. So if you go to work package 1, you need to tell that this is 0 days delay. I recall this, and the variance at completion is this, okay? The cost at the end, okay, in this work package is this, okay? If I am in package 2, the variance at completion should be minus this. Let me check. So you can make sure that you are good if you get this, okay? Variance at completion is this, okay? But notice this exercise is that you review and you understand the meanings of things, right? Okay. And if I sum up the work package as a whole, I have the complete situation. So in order to complete this task, you need to delete my things, and you need to upload this situation. This is coming in the here in the cost, in the more cost. Here you see the whole project, right? But notice that you have some information here. You have this representation, okay, in this moment, at actual time, 5 days, after 5 days of work, you have this situation regarding the whole project, okay, but okay, we are almost in time, okay, so you can see these numbers here. This is the budget completion, this is CPI is this, SPIT is this, schedule variance time for the whole project is this. If I continue like this, I am finishing the project with another cost of 8,000, right? Okay, so you get the idea here, right? So the point is that you can have this information and upload, but the other evidence that you need to enter to upload to Asana, if you need to follow the instructions, is that you normally have this in the cloud, right? If I go here, I have a summary of the performance report, but people are still used to paper. So if you download this, you can upload this file to Asana, and that's it. Okay, you can see that I have this same information here. Okay. So let's move on. In order to finish the class, well, I don't have time for you guys. I need to do it myself, right? So I go again to the next, because I am now, we are with the opposite situation. Okay, we are under budget. We are happy. Okay, in second review. Okay, so I move on to the next review date. I control select the next review date in time, and here I am going to say that everybody is green. Okay, we are under budget, and this is a green, and that's it. And if I control time, I don't remember. Okay, time is that this is completed today, one day earlier. Okay, so let's see that. Control time, work package 1 is done today. Okay, this is this was to start on day 8, and this is finished on day 16. Okay, finish, actual finish. Okay, so actual finish. Okay, everything is okay. So this is done, and this is the situation. This is done one day earlier, good. And the work package 2 is completed today on schedule. So work package 2. Okay, completed today. Okay, if I say actual finish 16. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay. And work package 3 is started, 10% completed in time, right? So let's see here. This is 10% complete. Save. Make this visually. Oh, sorry. No. Actual start, yeah, and my plan finish is 23. Okay, let's see. Okay. So if I go here, I could see the schedule. Okay, this is the last schedule. You can see that I am finished this one day earlier, and I am finishing on time. But I could go to the last review, and the situation is different. You see the things, right? So let's go to cost right now. Okay, work package 1 is complete under budget 1,000. Okay, so let's go to control cost, and work package 1 is complete. If it is complete, what's the meaning of complete? Okay, that the meaning is that the earn value is the total. Okay, is the back in this work package, right? So I'd say this. Okay, let's save. And if I am under budget 1,000, this is meaning that the actual cost is not is 7. You got me? I've said money, and well, there is a restriction that the planned cost should be no less than the actual. So I have the information here like I want. So graphically, I see this is done. Okay, something happens here. I don't know. Okay, this point is not good. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, so the plan is changed. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to delete. Okay, I don't follow what happened here because this series is okay, right? 5. No, this is not a 5. Okay, in 16, this is 7. Okay. This is a bug I need to report. But, well, you follow here in control cert for package 1. Now it should be okay. Okay. So I am done here. You know that I am reached the budget schedule 1 day before, and this is the final cost, and everything is okay. So this was the budget, and this is the finishing, and these are in the first review I am here, and in the second I am here. So, and the EVM calculation, I can see that the schedule variance in time is 1 day positive. I am ahead of schedule, right? And I can see this graphically. This is 1 day earlier than the total, right? You got this? So just play with this, okay? Just follow this. I think if you have time, you can learn some things here. So this is a complete example, okay? Bye. So we close for today, right? Okay. And we will have next class in the day after tomorrow. Okay. Any question? We can close.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.